let's simplify this rational expression. Do not forget that to simplify, you need to factor completely, then we'll look for common factors. In other words, this is ay plus the rest of the polynomial in the numerator and ay plus the rest of the polynomial in the denominator. You may not divide out this term with this term because it's not a factor. It's not connected by multiplication. It's connected by addition. So keep in mind that to simplify, we need to factor completely. And what does factor mean? It means to write as a product. Let's concentrate on the numerator. I have a 1, 2, 3, 4 term polynomial. No greatest common factor other than 1 or -1. So let's try factoring by grouping. The first two terms, I can factor out a common factor of a, and when I do so, I have left y plus 3 plus, concentrate on the second two terms. There's a common factor of 3. When I factor 3 from these two terms, when I factor 2, not 3, because I have 2y plus 6, so there's a common factor of 2 there, I have left y plus 3. Now let's go that far on the polynomial in the denominator. Let's start factoring by grouping. Look at the first pair of terms, common factor of a, and I have left y plus 3 plus their common factor of 5, and when I factor a 5 from the last two terms, I have left y plus 3. Now, is the numerator and, in fact, is the denominator also, are those two polynomials factored yet? The answer is no. This is still addition, not multiplication. So let's continue factoring. Concentrate on this numerator a moment and notice there's a common factor of y plus 3. So I will factor out the common factor of y plus 3. When I factor it from this term, I have a plus, factoring it from that term, I have 2. Same thing down here, common factor of y plus 3. When I factor it from this term, I have left a, plus when I factor it from that term, I have 5. Now I've factored. This is multiplication, this is multiplication. Notice I have y plus 3 over y plus 3, and as long as y is not -3, this is 1. So I have 1 times a plus 2 over a plus 5, which simplifies to a plus 2 over a plus 5. In other words, those common factors divide out, and here I have completely simplified.